Your automations still break at the worst possible moment. A lead comes in, an invoice moves, a customer waits, and one tiny app step times out. Here is the turn. The useful AI workflow is not the fanciest builder. It is the one you can inspect, repair, and run again without begging a platform team. That is why today's XDA piece comparing Tines and N8N is more than another tool debate. The headline says Tines may be the better AI workflow builder, but N8N is the one self-hosters will actually use. The everyday future lesson is simple. AI automation is moving from magic button to household infrastructure. Think of it like hiring a workflow foreman. The foreman does not just swing a hammer. The foreman knows what should happen first, where the materials are, who must approve a risky move, and what to do when the truck is late. That is the one mechanism to understand. Durable workflow control. A durable workflow remembers its state. It can pause, retry, hand off to a person, and continue from the same step instead of starting over or silently failing. This matters because AI agents are starting to touch messy real work. Sorting email, moving records, updating spreadsheets, summarizing documents, preparing invoices, routing support tickets, and checking calendars. The hard part is no longer asking a model for an answer. The hard part is keeping a chain of action safe when the real world pushes back. Tines represents the polished enterprise side of that future, controlled, governed, and designed for teams that need compliance. And 8N represents the garage lab side, flexible, self-hostable, and close enough that a power user can see the pipes. For ordinary operators, the question is not which logo wins. The question is whether your workflow has three things: a visible map, a retry path, and a human approval gate before money, messages, or customer data move. If it does not, you do not have an AI coworker. You have a very confident intern holding a box cutter. So the practical move this week is boring and powerful. Pick one repeated task, draw the trigger, the steps, the failure point, and the decision that still needs you. Then automate only that loop. The people who win the next wave will not be the ones with the most agents. They will be the ones who can operate them calmly. Become the foreman, not the babysitter.